शिक्षा जगह से नहीं पढ़ाने वाले शिक्षकों से मिलती है।
इसलिए आपके अपने शहर में कोटा के यंग IITian के गाइडेंस में कराई जा रही है IIT मेडिकल और प्लस की तैयारी।
स्कोर हाई अनाउंसेस फ्रेश बैच फॉर IIT और मेडिकल की तैयारी के लिए अब बाहर क्यों जाना, जब आपके शहर में ही कोटा के यंग IITians के गाइडेंस में कराई जा रही हो पूरी तैयारी। लिमिटेड सीट्स अवेलेबल।
Matrix again repetition set attack the everybody matrix chapter set class 12 and the how matrix your the set its definition with archetypes is a matrix from this condition visible types of matrix definition matrix is evaluation as matrix contraction matrix please form matrix set of a m numbers arranged in the forms of a rectangular array of m rows and in columns is called m numbers matrix is a matrix is set m numbers matrix set m number arranged in the form of a rectangular arrays of m n rows and n columns is mn matrix a as a 11 12 13 a as a n a 21 22 23 a as a n a 31 32 33 a as a mn incomplete from the above matrix is respected by Aij Mn matrix Aij as for example Aij belong to ith rows and j columns and it's called Aij elements of the matrix Aij example for example m 2 1 subsection 1 1 3 2 is the matrix having 2 rows and 3 columns 2 rows 1 2 2 rows similarly cut set and split 2 rows 2 1 rows 2 rows 3 columns 3 1 2 3 rows columns is a matrix having 2 rows and 3 columns so it's a matrix b equal second method sin x cos x subtraction sin x is a matrix having 2 rows 2 columns so it's matrix order 2 into 2 sin x cos x tan x anywhere 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 2 गुने 2 2 matrix 2 multiplies 2 2 into 2 again this matrix it's a matrix 2 order such 11 as for example b11 c11 d11 e11 a11 a11 b11 b11 sin x b12 cos x b21 cos x b22 subtraction sin x for example this it's construction 3 into 4 matrix A Ij whose elements are given Aij equal Aij second Aij equal I minus j subtraction 1 solve this problem a11 12 13 as for example aij equal 1 plus j and second aij equal I subtraction j a11 1 plus 1 2 a12 1 plus as for example similarly a21 same a21 22 23 24 as for similarly 21 a11 a12 a13 a14 21 22 23 24 31 32 33 34 as proved according above option aij equal I minus j equal same process here I am here is can this your answer a set of a ma numbers arranged in the form of a rectangle matrix m because a set of an m number m real numbers are m numbers arranged in the form of a rectangular as there are rows columns rectangular array of rows and columns m rows for this example m rows and n columns is called mn matrix m multiplication matrix is real number mn numbers who as example for the a11 a12 a13 dash dash aij dash dash a1n a21 a22 a23 dash dash a2j dash dash a12 a31 a32 a33 dash dash a3j and a3n. For this example, in compact from the above matrices are respected by A equal Aij Mn or A equal Ij. As for, please make so that you are the understand very would go better making, but you don't remember. You would have to hear just to understand what to see. We understand better. This type is the QD divided. For let's what everywhere to the matrix. As in the number say the number A11, A12 dash etc are known as the elements of the matrix A. The elements Aij belongs I rows and j column and is called Aij elements of the matrix equal Aij. Carefully, as matrix to be pay attention here. Once we would get by making this matrix. Matrix to like this impacted from belongs matrix Aij called elements from real number Aij. As example for A21 subsection 1 as matrix 1 3 2. As values A equal to 1 subsection 1 1 3 2 is matrix having 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows से आप बोलोगे rows, it is 2 rows and 3 columns. 1 2 3 columns. 2 rows is it's so rows 3 columns. So it is a matrix of a order 2 multiplication 3 such that A11 2 A12 1 A30 minus 1 as matrix orders I equal to 1 subtraction 1 1 3 2 is matrix having 2 rows and 3 columns, and so it is matrix of order 2 multiplication 3 such that A11 1 plus 1 A11 1 plus 1 equal to A12 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 it's 1 plus 3 it's 2 plus 1 it's 2 plus 2 it's 2 plus 3. As for example 2 equal as 3 equal at matrix do that 2 multiplication 3 A11 2 A11 A12 A13 and A21 A22 A23 as matrix definition rows. As for example mn numbers real numbers comes from this matrix is example matrix of orders 2 multiplication 3 such that A11 2 A11 A12 A13 dash 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 A21 A22 A23 dash 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 down A31 dash down A41 dash down A51 as example for as for A11 2 A12 as for example dash B sin x cos x subtraction sin x is matrix having 2 rows and 2 columns. As for example similarly gets with the pay attention from once your matrix understand gets matrix of a order 2 rows 2 column 2 rows 2 column 2 rows 2 column such 2 multiplication 2 such that B11 as for example B11 B12 as dash dash B21 B22 as for example matrix order 2 multiplication 2 multiplication 2 such that B11 sin x B12 cos x cos 21 B21 cos x B22 subtraction sin x. For this example subtraction matrix
Matrix definition: mn numbers are called subsection as multiplication to number between difference. As for example, aij equal baij, yeah. As for continuation, real numbers mn numbers is called matrix. Matrix definition: set of mn numbers arranged from the rectangle array of the m rows and the n column is called mn numbers of matrix. Matrix A11, A12, A13 dash dash, A21, A22, A23. As for down, A31 down, A41 down, A51. As for down, as belong Aij, I rows and J column is called Ij elements of the row. Matrix Aij. For example, for a solution example, as for solution example, for and this log again the next type for solution example. This variables constructs a 3 multiplication 4 matrix Aij whose elements are given by Aij equal I plus j. Question 2, Aij equal I minus j. For example, this solve A11. As for A equal A11, A12, A13, 14. As for example given this question 11, 12, 13 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. As for app A1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. As for condition, please attend us. After going, remember this question. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrix. Definition matrix. Types of matrix. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 11. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 11 Aij. 11 Ij. As for example, Ij 1 1. A11 1 plus 1 equal 2. Same A12 1 plus 2 equal 3. A30 A1 plus 3 A30 equal 1 plus 3 1 plus 3 1 plus 3 1 plus 4 1 plus 5 1 plus 6 etc. 1 plus 3 equal 4. 1 plus 4 1 plus 4 A 1 plus 4 1 plus 4 equal 5. Example 4 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. As for example down A21 similarly 21 3 2 plus 1 3 4 5 6 4 5 6 7. A21 3 A22 4 A23 5 A24 6 and down 3 A31 4 32 5 36 34 7. As for 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 1 plus 3 1 plus 4 2 plus 1 2 plus 2 2 plus 3 2 plus 4 3 plus 1 3 plus 2 3 plus 3 3 plus 4. As similarly as counting this number, hence A2 A11 2 A12 3 A13 4 15 14 16 17. As number for example this attempt A2 3 4 5. Same indicated this number 21 22 23 24 31 32 33 34. As for counting, as second method, proceed as above obtain. A 0 subsection 1 1 plus 1 2 process 1 subsection 1 1 subsection 1 1 subsection 1 equal 0. EIJ, EIJ 1 1 minus 2 minus 1. I same process of fraction as adding for this example. Second question, processing is the above obtained as example. Same subtraction as for adding this problem, this adding, and this subtraction, as for example attendance P here stands for making with the stand matrix. This complaint given this IAZ, but mistake from the example IAZ. As for example matrix retain that a set of mn number arranged in the form a set rectangle of the m row and the n columns is called matrix. Mn the instructions of row and column are called matrix. Mn row, m and r real numbers, m and instruction between row and column. Row and column are called instruction matrix. Matrix mn numbers, matrix mn's number, mn numbers real. Mn's set definition. Be carefully. Definition is a stand. A set of the mn numbers arranged in the form of rectangle. Rectangle array of the mn rows and columns is called mn matrix. A 11, 12, 13 as matrix for example. In comparing from the above matrix respectively by Aij mn A equal Ij. Next attempt the again syntax and a matrix type. Carefully. Next types of matrix.